Currency traders work at the foreign exchange dealing room of the KEB Hana Bank headquarters in Seoul, South Korea, Thursday, June 7, 2018. Asian stock markets rose on Thursday following a rally on Wall Street as remarks by an official at the European Central Bank eased worries about Italy's political upheaval. AP photo, on Youngjun, Seoul, South Korea. AP, global stock markets were higher Thursday as investors looked ahead to a summit of leaders where U.S. President Donald Trump is likely to be challenged over his trade policies. Keeping score, France's CAC 40 rose 0.3% to 5,473.31 and Germany's DAX gained 0.2% to 12,856.86. Britain's FTSE 100 fell to 7,708.96 after London's stock exchange opened 1 hour late because of a technical problem. On Wall Street, the future for the Standard. Global trade, the summit of leaders from the Group of 7 industrialized nations will take place Friday and Saturday in Canada, and Trump's trade war is at the top of the agenda. UK Prime Minister Theresa May has called his trade tariffs unjustifiable, and both France and Canada call for international cooperation to tackle Trump's aggressive trade policies. Europe, the euro rose against the dollar after a European Central Bank board member said policymakers will discuss next week withdrawing its bond purchasing stimulus, suggesting the ECB wasn't overly worried about Italian government plans. Peter Pratt's remarks suggested the June 14 meeting would bring hints about the end of the bond purchases. The bank currently says it will buy €30 billion, $35 billion, a month at least through September. The euro was up to $1.1822 from $1.1760 the day before. Asia Stay, Japan's Nikkei 225 jumped 0.9% to 22,823.26 while the Shanghai Composite Index finished 0.2% lower at 3,109.50. South Korea's Kospi finished up 0.7% to 2,470.58 and Hong Kong's Hang Seng Index advanced 0.8% to 31,512.63. Australia's S. benchmarks rose in Taiwan and Southeast Asia. Analysts take overnight market action suggests investor confidence is growing, said Michael McCarthy of CMC Markets in a report. He said gains on reports the ECB would review unwinding its stimulus indicated belief that the economic drivers of higher interest rates were sufficiently strong to sustain asset prices. Currencies, the dollar increased slightly against the Japanese yen, rising to 110 yen and 5 cents from 109 yen and 85 cents. Oil, benchmark U.S. crude added 21 cents to $65.38 per barrel in electronic trading on the New York Mercantile Exchange. It shed 1.2% to settle at $64.73 the previous session. Brent crude, used to price international oils, gained 35 cents to $76.44 per barrel in London. The contract lost 1 cent on Wednesday to settle at $75.36. Stevens reported from London. Copyright 2018 The Associated Press. All rights reserved. This material may not be published, broadcast, written or redistributed.